All right, get prepared to go hardcore. You ready?
I am.
We'll break this mother down. We're talking about the game Sunday specifically. Seahawks-Cardinals, how the Seahawks win, how the Cardinals win. Start with how the Seahawks win.
Defense. Their defense takes advantage of a very porous, is what we're being told, offensive line of the Arizona Cardinals. Even in a preseason where teams aren't scheming against you, that offensive line had a terrible time protecting both quarterbacks, which led to a very ugly quarterback competition between Cobb and Skelton. So I think the strength of the Seahawks matches up against the weakness of that team. I think they put Skelton in terrible positions, and they stifle the running game. I just think the Seahawks will dominate defensively, thus in turn not putting a ton on the shoulders of Russell Wilson. Manage the game. Should be a win.
Should hold them to single digits in points. 3 field goals is all they should give up in this one, I think. Even though, you got to remember, last time these guys played, last game of the regular season last year, won by the Cardinals, won by a comeback from John Skelton. It was 22 of 40, I believe, for about 271 yards in that game. So he can play okay. It was the last game. We understand the circumstances were different, but I agree with you. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on your rookie quarterback, and I don't think they're going to. I see it as a really low-scoring game. I know the over-under on it is 31 or something like that.
It was 40, wasn't it?
You're right, 40. I don't see it being anywhere near that high scoring. I mean, I see 13-9 or 14-10, something along those lines. Now, from the Arizona standpoint, I think what they're going to try and do, and they're also you can say the same word, defense. I mean, their belief is going to be to, and I would assume this is going to be what everyone does to Russell Wilson from the beginning. And it's not just pressure, because he's a guy who's going to make you worry. He's a guy who's going to be able to run a little bit, but it's going to be pressure up the middle. Can he see over? That 5'10" and 5'8" is going to be hammered down our throats all year, and that's going to be the question. So I would expect Arizona to apply pressure up the middle from the start, figuring that helps you get Marshawn Lynch, a lot of run blitzes and things like that.
If he plays.
If he plays, right, which we're thinking maybe he will, but
I think he's playing.
Who knows? I think a ton of run blitzes for Arizona, and they want to try and get Russell Wilson to make some mistakes, which personally I don't think he's going to do.
No, he's proved so far to be fairly unflappable, but he hasn't faced what they're going to bring, so we'll see how he handles it. But I'm curious how aggressive they'll get with him. If they've got good corners, they've got a good secondary in Arizona with Adrian Wilson and Patrick Peterson. They've got a lot to contend with as far as the Seahawks in that passing game. So I'd like to see him just be conservative. I don't have any desire to see him chucking the ball down the field. Little dump offs, beat the blitz, make him pay for it. Just adjust and manage the game. That's it. You want the win. He doesn't have to look spectacular. Just don't turn the ball over.
What's the score?
I'm thinking it's going to be like a 17-9 game.
17-9?
Yeah.
So Seahawks cover.
What's the spread?
I think it's 2.5.
2.5. Seahawks cover. Seahawks win.
I think they do too. I think it'll be even lower scoring than that. I'll go with 13-9, so they don't give up a touchdown. That'd be nice.
We're both happy that way.